60s up in Chicago. I was doing a gig with a guy named Steve Goodman, who I'd never heard of because I was from the Southwest. We were playing a songwriters festival, and he went out first and he opened up with this song, and it's called The City of New Orleans. This was like 1969, 1970, so you can imagine how long this song's been around. I first heard the song, I caught him backstage and I said, Steve, you got to give me the lyrics to this song. I'll fall in love with it. He says, yeah, I'd love for you to play it, JJ. He said, I just wish you'd do me one favor when you do play it. Please try to get a groove in the song that makes your audience feel like they're riding on a train. I said, okay. Anyway, decades have passed and Steve has too, but I wish he was here. I'd love to be able to call him up and take, hey partner, I did you one better. You might have heard Arlo Guthrie's version of this, so if you know the lyrics, bust out with me. Riding on the city of New Orleans, Illinois Central, Monday morning rain. 15 cars and 15 restless riders, 3 conductors, 25 sacks of mail. All along the southbound Odyssey, the train goes out of Kankakee, rolls along past houses, farms, and fields, passing towns that have no name, freight cars full of old gray men, and the train yards rusty all the way. Good morning, America, how are you? Don't you know me, I'm your native son. I'm the train they call City of New Orleans. I'll be gone 500 miles when the day is done. Dealing cards with the old men in the plum card. Any point ain't no keeping score. Pass the paper bag that holds the bottle. Feel the wheels rumbling beneath the floor. And the sons of pulling pointers, sons of engineers, ride their father's magic carpet made of steel. Mothers with their babes asleep, rocking to the gentle beat and the rhythm of good morning, America, how are you? Don't you know me, I'm your native son. I'm the train they call City of New Orleans. I'll be gone 500 miles when the day is done. It's nighttime on the City of New Orleans. We're changing cars in Memphis, Tennessee. Halfway home, we'll be there by morning. Through the Mississippi darkness, rolling down to the sea. And all the towns and the people seem to fade into a bad dream. The steel rail still ain't heard the news. Conductor sings his song again. Passengers will please refrain. The train's got the disappearing railroad. Good night, America, how are you? Don't you know me, I'm your native son. I'm the train they call City of New Orleans. I'll be gone 500 miles when the day is done. Gone 500 miles when the day is done. Now we're riding on it back. Gas went up to $3.50, and they put the train back on track. People started commuting again. That's why they took it off. Yeah, gas was I think 18 cents in 1964. 18 cents a gallon.